Looking for premier tree care in Mendota Heights? At Renstrom Tree Service, we specialize in the high-end maintenance your Mendota Heights property demands. From the scenic bluffs along the river to the quiet lanes of friendly hills. Our technical expertise ensures your home and landscape stay protected. Whether it's intricate pruning to highlight your views or a safe, rigged removal, we treat every project with the precision it deserves. Our no-trace cleanup means we leave your estate looking pristine. No mess, no damage, just beautiful results. Trust the local professionals voted best for quality and service. Visit RenstromTreeService.com for your free Mendota Heights estimate. Renstrom Tree Service. Excellence in every cut.